Okay, so now we are going to learn about different outdoor house amenities, as well as some new vocabulary and some new verbs. Let's try it out. So the first word we have is la cerca, which means the fence. La cerca, the fence. La cerca. And the next one is el jardín, the garden. El jardín, the garden. Jardín. And the third one is, it means the pool, but there are two different words. And some people say one, others say others. And you never know which one that person is going to say. So the first one is la piscina, which means the pool. And the second one is la alberca, which also means the pool. So I personally say alberca, but some of my friends, they say piscina. But they both mean the same, so it kind of just depends on the person. In some cases where that person is from, but you can use either piscina or alberca. Both actually mean the pool. I just use alberca. Others say different things. Say piscina. Okay, the next one. La escalera, which means the ladder. La escalera. The ladder. So simple. Escalera. Like, for example, the stairs, when you're going up the stairs, subir las escaleras, this is the same. La escalera. Las escaleras are the stairs. Las, with an S for plural. Las escaleras. La escalera, just one. Basically, the ladder. Okay, let's try one more time. La cerca, the fence. El jardín, the garden. La piscina, or la alberca, the pool. And la escalera, the ladder. La escalera. And here is what I was talking about. For example, we have las escaleras, which are the stairs. There are multiple stairs, multiple one-step stairs. So, las escaleras, the stairs. La escalera just refers to the entire ladder. La escalera, the ladder. And this one means el escalón. El escalón means the stair. So basically one block, like one block of stair, is el escalón. Basically that one block. If you're walking and there's one block, el escalón. Basically that one block of stairs. Of stair, basically. Basically the stair. One block of stair. Okay. Las escaleras, the stairs, multiple stairs, the things you climb to go up. La escalera, the ladder, and el escalón. Basically one block of stairs. One block of stair. One stair. One block. Okay, next one. Escalar. To climb. Escalar. And then we have subir. To go up. Subir. To go up. And the next one, bajar. To go down. Bajar. Bajar. So, escalar means to climb. When you're climbing, escalar. The next one, subir. To go up. Subir. And the third one, bajar. To go down. Bajar. Okay, and let's try a few other words. A few other verbs. Saltar, which means to jump. Saltar, to jump. Then we have tirar, which means to throw. Tirar, to throw. Tirar. And the next one, atrapar, which means to catch. Atrapar. So they throw something, you catch it. Atrapar. So one more time. Saltar, to jump. Tirar, to throw. Also, for example, if you throw away the trash, tirar la basura. Tú tiras la basura. You throw away the trash. Tirar. So basically, to throw something, throw the trash. We use the same word. And atrapar. To catch. Atrapar. Okay, let's try the examples. The first example we have is los niños están jugando en el jardín. So we're using jardín from the words we just learned. The children are playing in the garden. Los niños están jugando en el jardín. And the next one. Mi papá está arreglando la cerca. My dad is fixing the fence. Mi papá está arreglando, fixing, la cerca, the fence. So arreglar means to fix. But in this case, we do not conjugate arreglar. We're conjugating está because arreglando is like ing. Arreglando. You can say, mi papá arregla la cerca. My dad fixes. But if you want to say is fixing, then we have to conjugate is, which in Spanish would be está. Mi papá está arreglando la cerca. Next one. Nos gusta jugar en la alberca. We like to play in the pool. Nos gusta jugar en la alberca. We like to play in the pool. And the next one. Me da miedo escalar esta escalera. So now we're using me da miedo. It scares me. Or it gives me fear. So basically, I'm scared of climbing this ladder. Me da miedo escalar esta escalera. I'm scared of climbing this ladder. So simple. Me da miedo. Miedo is something that you give yourself in Spanish. Dar miedo. To give fear. But in English, it basically means I'm scared. If you want to say tengo miedo, I'm scared. Me da miedo. That gives me fear. So you get used to it. So you get used to it with practice. Let's try the next one. Here we have Estoy cansado de subir las escaleras. I'm tired of climbing the stairs. Estoy cansado de subir las escaleras. And the next one. No quiero bajar de la montaña y regresar al trabajo mañana. This is a long phrase, so it means I don't want to go down the mountain and go back to work tomorrow. No quiero bajar de la montaña y regresar al trabajo mañana. Long phrase, but I think you understand it. And you will probably feel it. You will also feel it. Understand it and feel it yourselves. Okay, we feel it ourselves. Next one. Saltar aquí es muy peligroso. Jumping here is very dangerous. Saltar aquí es muy peligroso. So we learn saltar to jump and peligroso means dangerous. The next one. El jugador atrapó la pelota de béisbol. The player catched the baseball ball. El jugador atrapó la pelota de béisbol. So you can basically say he catched the baseball. But in order to make it more precise with what Spanish is saying, la pelota de béisbol, I wrote the baseball ball to make it more precise. So you can see how it works in Spanish, and it's a little different in English. You can just say the baseball. But in Spanish, la pelota de béisbol. The ball of baseball. Okay, and let's try another one. Salta y tira la pelota a la canasta. Jump and throw the ball to the basket. Salta y tira la pelota a la canasta. So this is, you're telling somebody to do it. Salta, jump. Y tira, and throw. La pelota a la canasta. Canasta means basket. La canasta. So it can refer to the basketball basket or maybe your laundry basket, canasta. And the next one. Atrapé a un Pokémon. I catched a Pokemon. So atrapar, to catch. Atrapé, I catched a un Pokémon. I catched a Pokemon. Okay, so that's it for these ones. Feel free to play with the Quizlet. And as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.